Hi, I'm John Trischler from Specialty Performance Parts, and today we're going to take a look at our relocation harness. We're going to tell you what it is and how it works and how to install it real quick. And basically the relocation harness is an extension cord for your factory AUX 1 and fog switch in your F-150 Raptor or Bronco Raptor. And so basically how it works is this. You have two ends that have the Molex 2-pin type connectors, as you see here. And then the other end, you have the WeatherPack single connectors that are going to plug into any of our harnesses. So you'll notice you've got a long end here with your Molex connectors and you've got a short end. Depending on if you have an F-150 Raptor or a Bronco Raptor, you're going to install this in different locations. This end is going to go to your switch wires. Okay, so on the Bronco, the switch wires are on the driver's side. That means the long side is going to pull across behind your bumper to the passenger side on the Bronco. On the F-150 Raptor, it's just the opposite. The switch wires are on your passenger side, which means that your long side is going to go to the driver's side. The short side is then going to go on your passenger side, and this is going to pull up behind your headlight where your factory connections are. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at how this plugs in to the vehicle so there's no confusion when it comes time to install this into your truck. So when you take your factory fogs out, you're going to notice the connectors that you removed from those factory housings are right here. Now, oftentimes when installing your relocation harness, people have a little confusion on which connector is which. It's real easy to tell. As you can see, this is taped up and closest to the inside. This one's taped up and closest to the outside. The outside connector is the connector that goes to your fog switch. The inside connector is your AUX 1 switch. If you remember, the factory lights had a black cover on the inner ones. Again, that's your AUX 1 switch. So now you know which is which. When you plug your relocation harness in, the two wires are color coded. One set is yellow, one set is blue. And when you plug in either color to either connector, just make sure that you do it on the same color on both sides. So if you go blue on the inner side on one side, go blue on the inner side on the other side, and then that's going to be correct when you bring it up to the top, and you'll know exactly which switch you're going to have access to. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and visit us at spvparts.com to see this harness and other accessories for your vehicles, and we'll see you on the next video.